everyone, and welcome back to TUTOROU's channel. Have you ever felt like your accent makes it hard for others to understand you? Or that no matter how much you practice, your speech still doesn't sound clear? Well, don't worry. In today's video, we'll break down simple and effective ways to reduce your accent and speak English more clearly, just like a native speaker. Let's start. Step 1. Master pronunciation of common sounds. The first step to reducing your accent is improving your pronunciation. Some sounds may not exist in your native language, making them harder to say. Focus on tricky sounds like the TH sound in think and this. Stick your tongue slightly between your teeth. The R sound in red. Keep your tongue back and avoid rolling it like in some languages. The L sound in light versus R in right. Practice switching between them. Practice tip. Use minimal pairs. Words that sound similar but have different meanings, like ship and sheep or bit and beat. Step 2. Speak slower and enunciate. Speaking too fast can make your words unclear. Native speakers often adjust their speed and stress key words. Try to slow down and pronounce each word clearly. Open your mouth more when speaking. This naturally improves clarity. Record yourself and compare it to a native speaker. A great trick? Shadowing. Listen to native speakers and repeat after them immediately to mimic their rhythm and pronunciation. Step 3. Learn word stress and intonation. English has a natural rhythm based on stress and intonation. Unlike some languages, English stresses certain syllables more than others. For example, photograph, stress on the first syllable versus photographer, stress on the second syllable. Questions often have rising intonation. Are you coming? Statements usually have falling intonation. For example, I am coming. Listen to native speakers and try to copy their intonation. Step 4. Train with tongue twisters. A fun way to improve your pronunciation and clarity is practicing tongue twisters. Try saying these slowly, then gradually speed up. She sells seashells by the seashore. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. The 33 thieves thought they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. This will train your mouth to move fluently. Step 5. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to native speakers through podcasts and audiobooks. Watch English news channels. Watch movies and TV shows. Try watching with English subtitles. You'll naturally pick up pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation by listening more. Accent reduction takes time, but with regular practice, you'll see big improvements. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Happy learning, and see you next time.